This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Audible coupon code. First, find the audiobook you wish to purchase on Audible's website or app. Add it to your cart, then proceed to the checkout page, where you will see your order summary. This is the main page where we will apply your discount, ensuring you get the best price available. Keep your coupon code handy for the next step. Once you are on the checkout page, scroll down slightly, and you should spot a clear field. It's typically labeled promotional code or coupon code, usually found near your order total. Click on this box and then carefully type in or paste your entire code. Take an extra moment to verify that every character is correct. Even one small error could prevent the code from applying successfully. After inputting your coupon code, locate and click the Apply button, which is usually right beside the input field. The page will then refresh, and you should see the total cost of your order updated to reflect the discount. For instance, if you had a 25% off coupon, that percentage will be deducted from your original price. Always confirm the new, lower price before continuing. Sometimes, a coupon code might not work as expected. First, always check the expiration date. Many codes are only valid for a limited time, like 30 days. Also, some promotions are specific to certain regions, so confirm your location matches the offer. Occasionally, a code might require a minimum purchase or apply only to select audiobooks, so double-check the fine print for any specific conditions mentioned when you receive the coupon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.